Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the interest part of the Zenith Special Interest Group in FINOS. The Zenith Special Interest Group is set up to deliver emerging technology, open source libraries and standards, common adoption. My name is Keith O'Donnell. I'm one of the Zenith co-chairs and head here at FinTech Technology, an emerging technology consultancy. Picture this, a digital renaissance that we get to sort out covers all of the future types of technology by bringing everyone else along on the journey. Where the original Renaissance was powered by travel, studying ancient manuscripts that were suddenly shared when people were crossing borders without conflict, creating artistic inspiration. The modern equivalents cover a hyper-connected world, massive libraries of publicly available information, and developer inspiration, which, though seems to be quite read-only, we aim to try and deliver to be read-write, allowing us to perpetuate that spark of creativity. We aim to do this by sharing knowledge and combining expertise, by creating a modern digital library and having open forums of trusted and knowledgeable experts. We aim to create these libraries of repositories, governance, and software to be able to be used by anyone else in the future, pull emerging technology into the open and allow it to be commercially adopted. This expertise is something that we need to vet. Our brain trust is the combination of theoretical knowledge, technical knowledge, and commercial knowledge, complete with their own interdependencies within each other. We want to assess members of the brain trust across 5 key criteria, those being education and training, making sure that all of our experts are actually knowledgeable in the field that they profess to be, have a proven body of work so that they can demonstrate that they've actively contributed towards the discourse within an emerging technology, relevant skills and awards that give them accreditation and trust that what they say can be relied upon, professionalism and ethics so that we know that they contribute towards the actual ideals of open source technology itself, and finally, a commitment to continual development, making sure that as these technologies emerge further, the brain trust keeps up on their reading, never-ending pursuit of knowledge. The emerging technologies in question are broad and diverse. We are focusing on these technologies and their impact into financial services for the FinTech industries. Over the next couple of weeks, we'll be publishing our first sets of primers focused on artificial intelligence, spatial computing, and quantum technology. In order to produce these primers, we will be leveraging the expertise of the Brain Trust. In terms of the types of people that we're looking to get involved in the Brain Trust, we are looking initially for FENOs members to share their knowledge and connections to help us build these brain trusts. Initially, we are looking to engage with innovation labs, open source program offices, carry on this type of work daily and as part of the remit within FENOS member organizations. Also looking to meet distinguished engineers within FENOS member groups who set the strategies and have to advise their front office or front-facing counterparts on the business opportunities and alignment for these technologies. Next, we want to meet the internal subject matter experts who both study and implement these technologies for these companies. And lastly, we're looking for the individual enthusiasts who want to get involved in open source projects and contribute to solving some of these great barriers that we will be identifying as part of our primers. Being a member of the Brain Trust comes with some core responsibilities. These include identifying barriers that are stopping commonplace emerging technology adoption and defining the call to action as to what it would look like if these barriers were solved. As part of this, members of the community will be submitting ideas to try and solve these barriers. We're looking for our Brain Trust members to also vet some of these submissions and possibly sponsor them to help iterate the design and focus of these projects towards a solution that will actually be adoptable. And lastly, we want their contributions towards the value propositions of these projects so that we can help them to be funded as part of the SIG's commercial side of the program. In return, we offer these rewards. We will be accrediting members of the Brain Trust to show that they have contributed towards the conversation and discourse open source emerging technology standards as part of FINOS. Because everything will be published in open source, we will be able to make sure a record of accomplishment is kept in perpetuity. And being a member of the Brain Trust gives you relationships with other subject matter experts across the industry, opening up your own individual network from your single company to all other FINOS members and potentially beyond. If you would like to get involved in the Brain Trust, you can join the discussion on our mail group just now by scanning this QR code. If you would like to find out more about the Zenith program as a whole, go to zenith.finos.org, scan this QR code. Thanks very much for watching, and we hope to speak to you soon, other parts of the Zenith program.